Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. Thank you for the opportunity given to us. On this time, let us present our research. Our research title is Development of Motion Graphic Video based on CVA approach to increase elementary student mathematical creative thinking ability. The background of this research is the importance of mastering creative thinking skill for elementary school students and the COVID-19 pandemic, which caused offline learning to turn into online. The reality in the field based on the result of past research, it's known that the creative thinking ability of elementary school students in Indonesia is still low. This situation requires us to solve this problem. Problem solving offered through this research is the development of new teaching materials that can be used to improve the creative thinking skill of elementary school students in online learning activities, namely the development of motion graphic teaching material based on CPA approach.
Then we continue to the purpose section. As we know, the ability of elementary school students in creative thinking is still low, so effort to improve creative thinking skill need to be done to improve the quality of elementary school mathematics teaching. This study aims to develop mathematics teaching material in form of motion graphic video based on CPA approach to improve elementary student creative thinking ability.
For the method, in developing mathematics teaching materials, the research procedure used is to for the models. The first is defined to determine the teaching materials made based on preliminary analysis, student characteristic analysis, material structure analysis, and mathematics assignment, and indicator analysis of creative thinking abilities. The second stage is design, which is designing the learning device. The third stage develop. To develop teaching material following the design that has been created in the second stage. An expert judgment is also carried out at this stage to make improvement and refinement before testing teaching materials. And the last stage, namely disseminate, is sharing whole number math material using motion graphic video.
The results of this study will be reviewed through four stages in development research. Results of the define stage. At the define stage, focus group discussions are carried out to define mathematics teaching materials that will be developed based on indicators of mathematical creative thinking abilities. First, through observing students and interview with students, teachers, and parents, characteristics of the student are identified. Second, curriculum analysis in mathematics subject shows that all mathematics topics in elementary school can be used to train students mathematical creative thinking skill. Whole number counting operation in lower elementary. Third, regarding the indicator of mathematical creative thinking skill, the teaching materials must contain real problems in everyday life, containing questions that will increase student mathematical creative thinking skill and provide meaningful learning activities and problem exercise. Result of the design stage. At the design stage, discussion will help to design the content of the lesson on its delivery. These teaching materials and content delivery are designed to utilize video motion graphic based on the GPA approach. The topic's content is reflected in the lesson plan, motion graphic video, and student worksheet. Result of the develop stage. Data on validation of teaching materials in the number of operations for our elementary student grade 2 are generated at this stage. Based on the expert validation, the quality of the teaching materials developed meets the standard for use by improving some parts as suggested. Thus, creative thinking questions about the whole number are given to students of the second grade of elementary school. The result of the average post-test score of the student creative thinking ability in this study also increased as compared to the average pretest score. The pretest and post-test results show that using motion graphic video teaching materials based on the GPA approach can improve elementary school student mathematical creative thinking skill. Result of the disseminate stage. Motion graphic video based on the GPA approach about counting operation for lower elementary is then revised based on expert suggestion and then distributed the student and the broader community in a varied ways. It is shared through WhatsApp group, Google Classroom, uploaded on Google Drive, and published on the GPA Approach Edu YouTube channel. In addition, the link to download student worksheet is available in the description box of the video. The results show that mathematics teaching materials using motion graphic video based on the GPA approach could improve student creative thinking skill. Conclusion. The conclusion obtained in this study is that the teaching materials for the mathematics subject on whole number operation for second grade elementary can be said to have facilitated student creative thinking abilities. Result of the creative thinking test also showed the improvement of student creative thinking skill after learning with teaching materials in the form of motion graphic video based on the GPA approach. The teaching materials that have been made in this study can be used in elementary mathematics learning and further research. Thank you for your attention and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.